Welcome to the Infrared Sensor Beam Spread Angle Visualizer, which calculates the detection coverage area of IR sensors at various distances. Let's walk through the input fields. First, we have beam half-angle theta/2, where you enter the sensor's half-angle specification. You can select your angle units from the drop-down menu, either degrees or radians. For this demonstration, I'm using degrees. Next is the distance field, where you input how far from the sensor you want to calculate the coverage. The distance dropdown offers 5 unit options: millimeters, centimeters, meters, inches, and feet. I'll select millimeters for this example. After entering your beam half-angle and distance values, click the Calculate Beam Spread button. The calculator will display your results showing the beam spread characteristics at your specified distance. This includes the coverage diameter and area, helping you determine if your IR sensor will adequately cover your target zone. Engineers use these calculations to properly position sensors for motion detection, presence sensing, or beam break applications. This tool eliminates manual trigonometry calculations and helps optimize sensor placement in your designs. Find the link in the description below.